Imagine the raw power of a seismic force, capable of shattering the Earth with awe-inspiring might. As Earth's tectonic plates silently shift, there's a resonance in the automotive realm, a phenomenon rivaling the magnitude of famous fault lines like the Ring of Fire in the Pacific. Yet amidst these dormant giants lies a beast waiting to unleash unparalleled might. Prepare yourselves for the seismic upheaval as we unveil the Steeda Tremor F-150. Boasting a massive 800 horsepower, available at your command whether on-road or off-road, the Steeda Tremor F-150 demands attention with its raw power, capable of shaking the very ground you walk upon.